Yeah, today's topic is difference between truncate and delete. So when comes to truncate, so truncate is actually used to remove all the data from a table. That is the main concept of a truncate. When comes to delete, delete is used to remove a specific row from a table. For example, whenever you have a table, in that table you have a data. If you want to delete all the data from a table, then you will use truncate. So instead of deleting all the data, if you want to delete specific row in a table, then you will use delete. So that is the main concept of between of these. So when it comes to second difference, a truncate take less amount of execution time. So when it comes to delete, it will take more execution time to delete the data. Okay. So at what scenario I am telling is whenever if you want to delete all the data from a table, if you use truncate, it will take less amount of time to delete the data, whole data. Whenever you use delete statement to delete all the data in a table, it will take more time. So that's why we will not use a delete statement to delete all the data in a table. Yeah, sorry. So for sorry, you have a data. If you want to delete all the data by using delete statement, it will take more time. So that's why we will not use. Instead of using delete, we will use truncate because it will take less time. So most of the peoples will use truncate only. So when comes to third difference, we have one identity constraint which will called as the auto increment as well. Whenever creating a table, we will use on primary key columns like sequential generator. So whenever we use truncate on a table, the identity constraint will restart from initial. So from initial means it will restart again the values which you deleted. It will restart. So I will tell you the example, you will understand. For now, you can't able to understand. I hope you will understand. Yeah. When comes to delete, if you use delete command on a table, the identity constraint will not restart from initial. It will continue the value wherever you deleted the data. So you will understand by taking an example. Let's go into a second tab. I already wrote an queries here. So for now, I am creating one table, that is temporary table in my database. So whenever we used before table name hash, it is considered as a temporary table. Okay. So just now I created a temporary table. So here you see we have one column employee ID in this is data type and this is a constraint. In differences we talk about, right? The third difference, the identity. In some other database like Oracle, PostgreSQL, we will use auto increment. In Microsoft SQL Server, we will use identity. So this is one constraint. Here we have in open brackets value 1 means it will start from 1 and comma 1 means it will increase by 1. Like it will generate sequentially like 1 2 3 4 5 like that. So that is the definition of this identity. So I created that, and after creation of table, I'm inserting random data, raw data into a table. So I inserted, let me check the table. So yeah, yes, I have the data. We have 8 rows, right? See here, we have 8 rows. Yeah. So we have 8 rows, right? Now we will use, first we will use truncate. Okay. By seeing you can able to get what is the main purpose of third difference. So let me give an example. So truncate table, table name. I'm just copying here and pasting here. I'm just truncating all the data. Okay. So the command is successfully completed. So whenever I'm checking this, see, I don't have any data. The table structure is remain. That's it. Okay. Whenever I'm going to insert the data, same data again, you will see what happened. See, it was affected. Let me check the data. See, here it will starting from initial, means from one only it is starting. Okay, we have like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That is, it is starting from initial whenever we used truncate statement on a table. So now let's discuss about delete. So I'm going to delete this whole data. Okay, so delete and delete from table. Okay, so whenever I use delete command on a table, so it got deleted because we have less amount of data, so that's why it is executing fast only. In real time work we have millions of data. At that time we cannot use this delete statement to delete the whole data. Instead of using that, we will use truncate. Okay, for now let me show you that I delete it, right? So again I am inserting the data. Actually you have to observe here one thing is, whatever the data is available, those data I deleted by using delete statement. Again I am inserting the data. See, inserting, you have to observe one thing here. The insertion is completed. I am checking the data. So see, see. Actually previously I have 8 rows. Okay, 8 rows. Yeah. Previously I have 8 rows, right? So whenever I deleted those 8 rows, again when I inserted the data again, it is starting from 9. See, employee ID starting from 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You saw it? Because now we can go to differences. See, whenever we use truncate, the identity constraint will restart from initial. If we use truncate on a table, again insert, it will take first value as a 1 only, employee ID 1 only. That is the truncate. So when comes to delete, it will not restart from initial. It will not restart from again to 1. It will continue the wherever you deleted the data. See here, previously we have 8 rows, right? So at that time we used a delete statement and we deleted the data. Again we inserted the data. Now what we are seeing here, from 9 onwards we are seeing here. So that is the main difference. So most of the peoples, most of the, not most, all the peoples will use truncate to delete whole data. If we want to delete specific data, then only we can use delete. So that is the main scenario and main differences between truncate and delete. I hope you guys understand. Please let me know if you have any doubts, and please let me know if I need any correction. I will correct it. Please watch my videos and support me and give a thumbs up and subscribe me. Thank you for watching my video.